Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, it's been a little long that I came up with a video. I was kind of busy, but let's just make the most of the time that I have right now. So, today, as you must have seen in the title, this video is gonna be about uh, Flutter Web. So, let's just see how you can set it up. So, you just need to go to this site flutter.dev/web and then just go here, click on building a web application with Flutter. Now scroll down. Now you're going to open up the terminal in Ubuntu, or you can just do that in the specific directory in case of Windows, or you don't even need to do that if you have set up the path correctly. So you just need to go to a terminal, type all these three statements. It's going to take a while, download the latest version of Flutter if it's required, and then you just need to restart any of the what do we say, currently running IDEs. So I've already done that, and now my Flutter is ready to be run. Like, it's all set up, my Flutter web. So earlier what you were supposed to do, you were supposed to create a new Flutter web project, but now you don't need to do that. Just create a new Flutter project like always, but here you have the support for web. So as of now you don't need to do anything over here. So what we need to do is we have this standard default application that we get. So I'll just run it. So what you need to do is, here you'll see Chrome and web server after you have done the setup properly as shown in the previous steps. So just click on Chrome and then run it application. Now it's gonna take a little, and it will run Chrome in debug mode, this main.dart file, and it's gonna start serving the application on the Chrome browser. Let's just wait for a second. Also, since it's like we're doing it on Flutter, so Flutter Web also supports, like, we can just do hot reload over there as well. So let's just run it and see what we get. It's a standard application, so we're gonna see that plus button, like the increment button, and then when we click on it, the number is gonna increment one by one. So here we have it. Let's just see, clicking on plus just increments this. And also, if I reduce the size of, what do we say, this browser, this screen adjusts automatically. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what we get in the basic. So let's just modify this a little bit. I'll do one thing. I'll remove this title from here and just delete this entire homepage class for now, and let's just make it ourselves. I'll make a stateless homepage class as of now and call it my homepage only for the moment. Okay, I'll give it a scaffold, and for the body I'll have a container, and like for the container, let's just decorate it a little bit. So I'll give it some gradient decoration, box decoration, and gradient, I'll give it a linear gradient. And to begin, I'll begin it with like from center to, let's just do it top and bottom for the moment. Alignment dot bottom center. And now the colors, so we need to give a list of colors here. So I'll give, let's say, I think pink, and what color do I give here? Let's take teal as the first color, and I'm not really good with this color matching, so I'll just give red accent for the moment, and let's see how it goes. It's the error. Let's just see. Okay, this capital Y, so it's good to go. Let's just hot reload and see what we, okay, it's pretty nice. I won't say it's that bad. We can just like change it as well from alignment dot top center to alignment dot center left, and then alignment dot center right. Let's hit hot reload, and so this is what we get. It's like pretty neat. Okay, then for the child of this container, let's give a column. Okay, now for this column, we can just give it an app bar at the moment. So let's just call this as custom app bar. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Children and now custom app bar. Okay, so let's just create this class. So what I'll do is I'll just create this new class custom app bar, and instead of this container, I'll make it return a layout builder. Okay, so what will this layout builder do is it will allow us to pass a context as well as the box constraints. So I'll just do that. And you know so what I'll do is if the constraints dot max width, that is the width of this entire screen. Okay, since if it is more than 1200, okay, I'll return a max size app bar, or just let's try just max size as of now. I'll return max size, and if it is not, I'll just return a min size app bar. So let's just create these two classes now. You know, I'll just do it in this main.dart file itself as of now. So let's just create another class that is max size. Okay, so what will this do is this will have a container. Okay, now this container will have child as a column, or just let's have a row as of now, because when it's max size, I'll make it display things horizontally, and when it is min size, I'll make it display things vertically. So let's just have the children for this. So let's just have a text as of now that says dartingo. Okay, and then what do we have another row that would further have a few elements, such as a text saying hey there. Okay, and another text saying what's up, and maybe a button as well, raise button that says press me. Okay, I'll just declare the onPressed attribute, and let's just see what we get as of now. Okay, we need to create this min size as well. So I'll just create a blank class min size and see what we have as of now. So there we have it, a very basic layout. So let's just style it a little bit. So I'll just give this some style, such as a colors dot white, and a font size maybe 35, as well as font weight as, just take it 600 as of now, and see what we have. Just a second. So we have it like this, and I'm gonna give this container a padding as well. So let's just give it a padding of 20 from all the sides, and this row as giving, let's just give the main axis alignment as main axis alignment dot space between, and hit hot reload, see what we get. Okay, so here we have it. And what else? Also, let's just give a little spacing between all of these. So I'll give a size box with width 20. I'll give a comma here as well, copy it and just paste it twice more. Cool. So we have it all here, and this button is really ugly as of now. So I'll just give it a colors dot let's say blue accent. See what we have at the moment. Okay, cool. So we have a pretty normal layout over here with a button that says press me, 3 text fields, and so you see what I did there, right? Now what's gonna happen is if I decrease the size of this, see, since min size contains a container only as of now, nothing is being displayed. So when I expand it, the width is more than 1200 now. So it comes back, and since it's not there at this moment, it just goes back. So for min size, what I'll do is I'll copy all of this. I'll copy this entire, what do we have, padding, and just paste it over here. All right, but instead of putting up things in the row here, I'll put them in a column. Okay, and instead of space between, I won't actually use this, and see what we have at the moment. So when I just reduce the size of this, see, okay, you got my point, right? It's in a column, but I'll just put the main axis as main axis line dot center, so everything comes up in the center. Main axis line dot center. Okay, it's pretty much with the row as well. So I'll put the main axis alignment as main axis alignment dot center here as well. And there we have it, everything in the center. So, so you saw how we use the layout builder to actually differentiate between the width that we have at the moment. So when I just stretch it, and as soon as the width goes beyond 1200, they become a part of the, like, they get displayed as a row, and when I just decrease it, it gets displayed as a part of the column. You can just even give a size box over here, so that you have a good spacing over here. Let's say height 30 and comma here as well. So you see, there we have it. So this was a pretty basic tutorial of how you can use Flutter Web and set it up on your PC. And like I assure you, I'll be back with more videos as promised on my channel very soon. So that was it for now. Thank you for watching this. If you found this helpful in any way or the other, please hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback. And subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.